Good morning, everyone. What time is it? Let's see. It is about 10 o'clock Saturday morning. We're out here at Day-Asan village. This ugly American living in the Philippines. And we are about to see the finished boat coming up here soon. So again, we're waiting at the Day-Asan village dock. So people out here just having fun swimming around right here at the dock. Other people are all waiting, supplies all over the place doing other things. So we'll be back in a second. All right, here they come. Somehow it looks blurry to me. What's going on? My camera, my lens. Is that better? I think my eyes are blurry. All painted, all done. The blue bomber. There's Mom with a giant paddle. Oh, the wind's blowing. Cover the mic. Yeah, it might be a little windy. We're going to go out and have lunch out on the boat today. I don't know if we can today. We'll see. Let's see how he works that big paddle. Oh yeah, he's got no problem. We put non-skid flooring on there too, so looks good. Need some furniture in it.
Kuya, ako na magkinlangan. Ngayon, amo agili. Hindi naman gahapon mo ikaw sa sakyanan. Yaman kami kabayo.
Matanda niya ba ng gamay ko?
Basta ko lang yung nag-asa ko. Nag-dagat-asa ko.
Basta lang yung ganun ba na tumugan ka? Danay ka mo kung danay.
Alright, gotta go. Be right back.
Ay, kay para mo. Para sibusiw kami dito. May makaya para mo. Nga dito. Kay ano ka umut.
Nalhigda na.
Did the anchor not fit? Is that what that is, hon?
I don't know.
Well, ask your dad.
O man na, yaman isuyo doon. Tag-abrira basta magkuang kay para ang kapaso mo gawas. They want the you know, what do you call it?
Anchor?
Makinan.
No, not the anchor.
The rope?
From the muffler, the heat from the muffler.
Oh, okay. The exhaust.
Yeah, the exhaust. You want it to blow out.
Okay. So they left that bin back there open so the heat from the exhaust from the muffler would blow out. They put sand or something in there to make this non-slippery on the floor. Looks good. They painted all the rails white. Looks good. Be back.
Mga lamisa.
Alright, we're here at the lobster cage deciding whether or not to go eat lunch on the boat. But I guess it's not going to work out because Grandma's not here. They got to go get Grandma still. And so I was saying bring the table, bring everything here, and let's eat here. Let's see. All right, be right back. All right, well, looks like we are going to go out for lunch on the boat. So that'll be fun. But Liza doesn't think so. She thinks it's in the way. But that's the whole point of making it this big. Is to have a table, chairs, everything. Let me show you the motor area. I was first worried he wasn't big enough to work on the motor, but it's big enough. That little blue sliding thing right there comes off. Slides out so you can get to the motor pretty easily. You can actually take it out of there. No problem. Alright, be right back. All right, well, we're headed out. The engine's loud. The muffler's not on it yet. It's high tide, so we can go out pretty much any way we want. But the problem with high tide is the wires are even lower. We're actually closer to the boat, but it should be fine. The roof is down. But the next problem is we only have 1 liter of gas, so we're going to stop and get some extra gas. All right, be right back. All right, we're pulling over for gas at the gas station.
The gas station.
So why don't we get at least 2 liters, hon?
Okay.
Just put it in the tank. That's plenty, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. That's
Also, my dad is gonna go.
Aton kuman, order ta to.
yeah. Oh, look at this nice dock they got here. Look at that concrete dock with some posts and everything. That's pretty nice. It's almost buried because it's high tide, but that's concrete. That's one of the first ones I've seen. This will be our regular place to stop, probably. That's pretty nice. All right, be right back. All right, we're gonna get 2 liters of gas and then put that into the tank on the motor, the engine, and then we're gonna go to town and fill that big jug up because it's at least 8 to 10 pesos a liter cheaper in town. So, all right, be right back.
My dad asked about how much the price. He said, I'm not gonna tell you right now because before the guy said it was 3,000, but he doesn't know how much now. So he's gonna let it go.
For 2, it's 3,000. He thinks.
For 2.
I thought it was 1,000 each.
For 2 was 3,000. I don't know how much.
Oh, okay. All right, they're gonna find out about the extra float on each side. Instead of these half ones right here, we got one full, I don't know what you call them, but outriggers, pontoon or bamboo float, and then they have a half of one. We're going to replace that half of one with a full one. And so right now the price is, they think 1,500 each, but that's probably going to be higher, as typical. But I was told at the beginning, oh, just replace them, 1,000 each. So anyway, it's already gone up 1,000 before we even got a price quote. The other thing I was going to tell you that I spent 90,000 pesos on the boat and spent, so far, it looks like now added this, it's going to end up being around, it's going to end up costing right around 50,000 pesos for the upgrade, maybe 55 when we're all said and done, but it's pretty close to 50. Because a lot of stuff we bought that wasn't actually for the boat itself, it was for, you know, life jackets, you know, fishing poles, things like that, but you know, not the actual boat cost itself. So I think the boat, adding those pontoons and the actual boat cost is going to end up being about total 140 to 145,000, which is about 2,500 bucks, somewhere in there. 2,700, 25 to 2,700 dollars, somewhere in there for the whole thing. So that's pretty good for a boat. All right, I'm gonna no, I guess I'll pause because I'm gonna see when we're out there eating lunch on the water. So I'll be right back. All right, it's pretty windy, so this is the first little test, and we're bouncing pretty good. And it's like 1 foot, not even a foot hardly wave. So we definitely won't be going out in any kind of wind at all. But this is really nice. We just passed the blah 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 beach. I can't remember the name. But it's really nice. Beautiful view. This is going to be great. I'm going to make everybody raise the roof when we get out here. I don't think they know that yet. All right, be right back. All right, we made it out here. There's kind of a reef out here, so we're just going to stop and get an idea.
It's cloudy.
What's cloudy? So what are you saying? We need to leave?
You said that in a few minutes or later, it's gonna be big wave around here.
So what do they want to do?
I don't know, you wanna... Tabo naman, dili ta diri makakuan. Magpaano data para ato ta singo dito.
Bayod man din basta kuan. Ito na dato
I don't know what's happening, but I think he's worried about the waves picking up.
He said it's okay to stay here as long as we don't have to anchor.
Okay.
Just drape it all the way to the
Sure.
beach.
Yeah, that's all right.
Okay.
We're gonna just drift.
That's it.
He doesn't want to anchor. I want to raise the roof.
Okay.
Hold on, we're gonna raise the roof. Let's see how long that takes. All right, we got the roof up. It actually wasn't very hard, but I did notice they didn't.
And we're gonna pray now.
All right, let's pray. All right, we pray. Now, they didn't paint it with the roof up, so now you can see all that, but we'll have to paint that when the roof is up one time, do the touch up. But it's so much nicer to sit under here with it all the way up. Oh, there's my food. What? Fried chicken. All right, I can go for that. All right, I'll talk to you all later. Anyway, I'm going to sign off because that's it. We're here out in the middle of nowhere. Actually out on the reef. It's pretty deep here, so once I either get a depth finder or a view, one of those glass viewing tubes, we'll be able to see where we're at, how far out. All right, we'll see y'all later. So far, so good. Ugly American, Ugly Philippines. Over and out.